Hi guys, it's Sophie from Customessaymeister.com. Today I'm going to show you how to format a paper in APA style using Word. Step 1. Document Setup. Open a blank Word document. APA recommends using 12-point Times New Roman font. If not using Times New Roman, then another sheer typeface should be used for its readability. Step 2. The title page. The title page of an APA paper includes a shortened version of your title in the header with the words "running head" before it. It cannot exceed 50 characters, including spaces and punctuation. The running head's title should be in capital letters. Centered on the page is the full title of the paper. The author's name is on the next line and the institutional affiliation, or your school, is on the third line. Step 3. The abstract. If your professor requires an abstract, you will include a summary of your paper on the second page. Start the abstract on a new page. Type the word abstract on the center top of the page. Include page number and shorten title in the header. You no longer need to type the words "running head" before the title. The abstract is typed without any indentation. Step 4. The main body of the paper. For the main body, the title should be centered on the page, typed in 12-point Times New Roman font. It should not be in bold, underlined, or in italics. Each new paragraph should be indented via the tab button. Step 5. The reference list. Start the reference list on a new page, center the title references, and alphabetize the entries. Do not underline or place the title in italics. Double space all entries. Every source mentioned in the paper should have an entry. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed today's content, please like, share, and subscribe to Customessaymeister.com's channel. Thank you.